Welcome to room 303 at the Radisson Blu here in Stockholm. Let's take a quick view from the start and then an overview over the room. When you come in, there's the door to the toilet. We'll get back to that. Little closet with hangers. On the other side, we actually have a door showing us that there is an iron and an ironing board hidden in this closet. On the other side, we have a little disc. On the disc, we have a little tea, we have a little coffee, a little chocolate, some milk, different glasses, teapot, some water, even 2 little spoons. Then we have here a little closet. In that closet, we actually have a little sewing kit, a little shoe horn, and a bag for washing clothes, and the prices for washing our clothes if we would like to wash our clothes. It costs from approximately 130 crowns for a tie. Oh, that's dry cleaning. If we go down to laundry, it's actually from 50 crowns. Well, we can't laundry a tie, so we need to dry clean our tie. That's probably also the best. Down under, we have a safe with no money in. There's an instruction inside the safe. There's a little ice bucket and a refrigerator. The refrigerator is empty, but I will soon fill it up. Let's close that again. This is a 2-bed superior room. The beds can be pushed together if you would like that. Next to the beds, there's a little stand. There are some outlets and USB. A little lamp. Next to the bed, some air conditioning control. Let's see the beds. They are quite hard. Let's try the other one. See if it's the same. Probably are. Yes, same. So they are quite hard. 2 pillows. The other side, there's also a little desk. On that desk, there's a little in-house phone. There's a no smoking sign, a little block, a pen, and the remote control. And of course, a lamp and plug and 2 USB ports. Then we have a little chair. We have a little dish. And we have a desk where we can do some work. We have a mirror, man in the mirror, not included. There's a little lamp. There are some circuits here, also USB. And I think the 24 hours means that even though that we cut out our power to the room, that they are powered those outlets. Office chair, I don't think I mentioned that, probably short, and a little trash can. There's a TV. Probably gonna do well with the remote. And that was the main room. Oh, there's a picture on the wall. And we of course need the view. Now we are in the next to the central station of Stockholm. So we're as downtown as we can be. We have a Hard Rock Cafe just in front of us. There are restaurants on this hotel. There are McDonald's underneath the road over there. There's a Taco Bell down the road. There is Max, a Swedish burger joint, also in this building. So it's a rather place where everything is happening. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear the traffic through the windows, but not much. We'll get back to the view when the night has fallen and we can see it all lit up. So let's take a look at the toilet. It's not a big toilet, but again, it is a hotel in the middle of a city, and the toilets are pretty small there. There are other toilets, there are some toilet paper, extra toilet paper, some tissues, there's a makeup mirror, there's a real mirror, man in the mirror, not included, some hand wash, some body lotion, some glasses, some bath salt, and some shower cap, some vanity kit, a sink, and a bathtub. It's it's not a full-size bathtub. It's what I think you call half-size. We got a rain shower and we got a normal shower, and we have some body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, and even some handles if we have trouble getting out of the bath. A little towel. This one is meant for the floor, I think. And then on the sink we have all the towels that we're probably gonna need. It's not plenty of towels, but for one guy, it's plenty. There's an outlet, place to hang your clothes or dirty towels, and even a rabbit. Don't know where that came from, but somebody thought that that was a good idea. Maybe it's actually, think it's a beer opener. So a rabbit beer opener on the toilet. Haven't seen that before, but we're gonna see some things when we walk around. There's a big mirror coming in. Didn't show you that. Also, man in the mirror, not included. A place to put up your luggage if you don't want it on the floor, like I just did. Do not disturb sign. And a little key holder to put in your keys that will turn on all the light in the room. Okay, guys, then we have Stockholm by night. See the clock tower here. We're just next to the Central Station. Can't see the Central Station, but we are next to it. It's around 11 o'clock Thursday night. Not many people on the street, but there are still some. And now you can hardly hear the street. I can hear it when I'm standing here at the window, but when I'm laying in the bed, I can't hear the street. So I think everything is gonna be okay, and I'll have a good sleep tonight. Well, guys, thank you for joining us here at our Stockholm hotel. The hotel is a pretty nice location, walking distance to almost anything you would like to see in Stockholm if you like to walk. Otherwise, there are buses, there are scooters, there are trains, there are metros, there are whatever you would like to do. If you like the video, please subscribe, write a comment which hotel you would like us to review next. Thank you for joining us on our road trip.